The A to Z team have been diligently working our way around London, sampling the world foods in alphabetical order, travelling from A towards Z. And we reached the letter O, and there we came across our first problem, because there's only one country in the world that begins with the letter O, Oman. And unfortunately there's no Omani restaurant in London. But we were undeterred, and really there was only one thing left for us to do: to travel to Oman and to sample firsthand the local cooking, the food of Oman, and the fabulous generosity and kindness and hospitality of the people there.